Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, it is both my pleasure and privilege to join you here at the RELX SDG Inspiration Day, mobilizing business for a better world and accelerating business action on the SDGs. The RELX Group involvement is so important and represents a vital link in the chain of universal, sustainable access to information as business works to achieve impact on the Sustainable Development Goals. The power of data to advance the SDGs is undeniable, and your support in broadening awareness and information sharing between science, law, business, and the non-profit sector will continue to play an even more essential role in the post-COVID world. With the coronavirus, we have dealt with a global pandemic that has devastated public health and people's livelihoods, disrupted supply chains, deepened social inequalities, and undone progress on the Sustainable Development Goals. At the same time, we face a climate emergency with irreversible impacts for people and all the natural systems that sustain us. In the face of these crises, the Global Compact SDG Ambition Accelerator is encouraging companies to set ambitious corporate targets to accelerate the incorporation of the 17 Sustainable Development Goals into core business management and will increase positive business impact on the SDGs. The RELX Sustainable Development Goals Resource Center and its ongoing partnership with the United Nations Global Compact through its work on the Water Action Hub and Decent Work Innovation make it an essential platform to achieve SDG ambition on the 2030 goals. RELX Group has worked with the Global Compact on such seminal reports such as Business Leadership for 1.5 degrees Celsius, the UN Global Compact Accenture Strategy 2019 CEO study, work on the Water Action Hub, fast-tracking zero-carbon economic growth, as well as webinars for peace, justice, and strong institutions, and on decent work. Such ongoing and in-depth collaboration has strengthened commitment to adopt sustainable, responsible business policies under the UN Global Compact's 10 principles for human rights, labor, the environment, and anti-corruption, and has driven fulfillment of the 2030 Agenda for Sustainable Development. The UN Global Compact is here to work with you, side by side, uniting business for a better world. Once again, we thank you for your continued commitment and dedication to these universal goals.